I'm going to show you how you can install mods on R.E.P.O in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So by adding mod, you will add new content to the game and you will unlock new features like have more stamina, add new monsters and more. So all you need to do is go to this website right here called thunderstore.io and click the get app button. So once you click there, you need to click on download on Overwolf, and this will download the Thunderstone Mod Manager, which will allow us to install mods on the game. So once you open the file you just installed, you will see something like this. And now right here, you will need to search for the game first, which is R.E.P.O. It will appear and you need to click on select game. So now we are gonna create our profile. So click on create new and let's put, for example, R.E.P.O modded and select the profile. So now you need to go to get mods and right here you will see all the available mods you can install right now. So for now there are only 20, but they are launching new mods every day. So just check the mods you want to install. So for example, this one, if you click here, you will see a short description. This is a mod that will enhance the stamina regeneration system in the game. So you can click on download and download with dependencies. And it will only take a few seconds. And now if you go to my mods, you will see the mod right here and you can enable or disable it whenever you want. And once we have our mod right here, we can also go and download more mods if we want to. So for example, this will spawn multiple cards instead of just one. This will allow you to get the upgrades and apply them to the whole team instead of them being individual. And once you download all the mods you want, you just need to launch the game from here. So make sure to do it from Thunderstore and click on modded. And if you want all your friends to have the same mods, you will need to go to share right here. Then you will see this code, which you need to copy to the clipboard. And then to import it, once they are here on the profile selection page, you need to click on import/update from code and paste the code you just copied earlier. And that's it. This will import the mods you have on your profile. So this way you can have the same mods. So after that, just click on modded and wait for the game to launch. If this CMD appears like this, it means you have installed the mods correctly. And now let's check it in game. So now as you can see, we are here in the game and you can see the stamina, how it works different than the vanilla version. You can see how it regenerates much faster. If you don't like it or if it's too fast for you, you can try editing basically that value or downloading another mod. So there are some mods that will allow you to change the regeneration, so you can put a specific regeneration you like. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.